Battle Royale has become one of the most dominant subgenres in gaming practically overnight, and developers and manufacturers have rushed to get their own piece of the pie. The fact that the Logitech G332 has such targeted marketing to the Battle Royale market may make it seem like just another rushed product, but the final result is actually very strong. The comfortable leather cups are meaningfully padded, and though they are a little tight, that makes for pretty great sound isolation. A 3.5mm jack allows this wired gaming headset to work with both consoles and PCs, but a headphone converter is also included if you want to hook it up to your stereo. If aural fidelity is your primary concern, you will find it here. The mids take center stage here, and there is some good oomph developed by the 50mm drivers. The microphone is unexceptional but perfectly well suited for the most multiplayer gaming. Let's talk about the key features of Logitech G332 stereo gaming headset. A great understated design and color scheme. Coordinates with the whole line of Logitech G products. Volume scroll wheel when built directly into the right can. You can use these headphones on PC, PS4, Xbox One. It has 3.5mm connection type and it has stereo audio. Its microphone also supports noise cancelling. Logitech G332 costs you around $45. Astro is a company known for crafting exceptionally great headsets that are also exceptionally expensive. That's what makes the A10 such a breath of fresh air. It may lose some of the good looks that is high-end sibling the A50, but it retains a surprising amount of the quality. The build quality itself is Spartan but functional, including an inline volume wheel as well as omnidirectional mic that will mute when flipped out of the way. But the A10 has heart where it counts. This sounds like an Astro product through and through. Like Logitech's offering, the mids get most of the attention here, but the level of clarity is truly exceptional. It's strong enough to throw you right into the heat of a firefight, but it can also function admirably while listening to anything from traditional orchestral arrangements to dense and layered psych rock. Let's talk about the key features of Astro Gaming A10 gaming headsets. For better sound quality than its price tag would suggest, memory foam rear cushions for a greater level of comfort, crisp voice communications with low latency levels, omnidirectional mic is flipped to mute. Available in 5 different colors. It can support PC, PS4 and Xbox One. It has 3.5mm connection type and it has stereo audio type. Yes, its mic also has noise cancelling features. If we talk about the price, it may exceed $50 tag. It costs around $54. There is arguably no budget gaming headset with the mic that's a better deal than the Sadis SA902. It bears a $24 price tag but a lot of value. In fact, it hits basically all major special features a cheap gaming headset could hope for. A noise cancelling mic, Dolby 7.1 surround sound. The compatibility with both consoles and PCs. Inline controls are available for both the mic and the headphone volume, and the rear cushions use a ventilated protein material for maximum breathability. It even comes with LED lighting, which seems a bit like bragging once you take everything else into consideration. The sound quality might not be quite up to snuff with something like the A10, but it's also less than half the price, and that's Dolby surround sound provides phenomenal level of immersion in both atmospheric single player and raucous multiplayer games. Let's talk about Sadis SA902 key features. It has 4-piece headband, allows for highly specific adjustment. Closed ear cups lock in sound well. Phenomenal depth of features for such a cheap gaming headset. Both headset and cable are surprisingly durable. It supports PC and PS4 and it also has USB connection. It has 7.1 Dolby surround and yes, it also supports noise cancelling mics. You can purchase Sadis SA902 from Amazon at $27. The HyperX Cloud Stringer is the most purchased headphone on the Amazon. The HyperX Cloud Stringer sat atop many best of lists when it was first released. You would not know it from the build quality. It's pretty typical for a PC gaming headset under $50, but the leatherette cups memory foam cushioning can rotate 90 degrees for a more versatile fit. The swirling boom mic mutes when flipped up. It's once you start to dig a little deeper that you start to notice the shine. It utilizes 50mm rather than 40mm drivers, but it's still surprising to hear the fidelity of sound that comes through this gaming headset on PC or the great sense of geography it offers. That's all due to the fact that this is a Dolby 7.1 gaming headset. A focus on the bass provides a real meaning to gunfire and grenades. It has comfortable design that's easy to fit to your head shape. Air cups can rotate to 90 degrees, microphone mutes when swapped up, volume controls are built into the cup. It can support PC, PS4 and Xbox One. It has 3.5mm connection type with 7.1 Dolby surround sound. And it also has noise cancelling mic. If we talk about the price, you can get HyperX Cloud Stinger from Amazon at $50. The Corsair HS60 is modest but elegant, stripping out the bright lights and embellishment that define so many gaming headsets, instead of opting for something that looks legitimately high-end and that goes beyond the unvarnished aesthetics too. This USB headset with microphone has been certified by Discord. Corsair rarely disappoints, and certainly not with this surround sound gaming headset. The build quality is a reliable mix of metal and sturdy plastic, able to take a hit and still come out intact. There's a level of balance here that's rare even in other headsets on our list. The bass is a little heavier in proportion to the mids and highs, but it is not inconsistent enough to stand out except to hardcore audiophiles. They are certainly substantial enough to suit the full range of gaming genres and double as decent headphones for watching film and listening to music as well. Its sound quality is very balanced and incredibly versatile. It has wonderfully handsome and understated design. Microphone is omnidirectional and can be removed. Its 50mm neodymium speaker drivers are powerful and precision tuned. It supports PC, PS4, Xbox One, and it has 3.5mm USB adapter. It has 3.5mm connection with USB adapter. Yes, it also supports Stereo 7.1 Dolby Surround with noise cancelling mic. Turtles Base entry level offers multiple color schemes for the three major current generation consoles, but they are all functionally the same device. Just keep in mind that the shortness of the cord means it's not ideal to use as a computer gaming headset, but console gamers should find a lot to love. The synthetic leather looks great and the plush interior feels great against your ears. They can also rotate out to 90 degrees. The Raccoon 70 may only come with 40mm drivers, but they have a nice kick to them. The dynamic range is well above par here, definitely adapting from quiet moments of narrative drama to the bombast of the battlefield. The Raccoon 70 does not support surround sound, but it still provides a nice sense of space, and add in the crisp sound quality of the mic, you have an all-around well-balanced little headset just under. It costs $35. It comes in a number of bold color combinations. Flip-up mute mic lets you decide when to communicate. Lightweight design and great cushioning on the inner cups. Solid mic performance in quieter environments. It supports PC, PS4 and Xbox One. It has 3.5mm connection type. Audio type is stereo, but it does not support noise cancelling mic. You can get Turtle Beach Raccoon 70 under $35.